Hey guys, I'm Dave Huber with TRADEway, and we're going to kick off a series called False Beliefs. Over the next couple of months, we'll be sharing common false beliefs about the stock market. So let's kick the series off with one of the biggest ones, and that is the stock market wants to take my money. Well, in reality, the stock market isn't a person with thoughts and desires. It is made up of many people who are trading within the market. Of course, they have their thoughts and desires, but the market in and of itself can't really think. So if you find yourself losing money in the stock market, what you need to know is that it's probably something that you are doing wrong. What does that mean? You're in the driver's seat and you have control when you trade. So let's get rid of the victim mentality of, oh, it's taking my money, and start to put ourselves in a position where we think, what can I do to protect my money when I trade?